Look at this car, right here, right here, right here.
Shit, dude. Is he stuck?
Probably. I want to get over, but
Oh.
like I think I just need to get around, like what this car's doing.
Oh, okay. Well,
But-
no one's gonna let you in out. Well, maybe they will, because they're all gonna be. I can't believe that car's just stuck back there, though. Careful how close you are to this one.
How about this car move out? This is nuts.
I know.
I've never been out when it's this bad. I'm always inside usually. There's people over here just waiting. They're not even gonna attempt.
Oh, this one's going.